Today, I'm going to show you a sneaky SEO strategy to basically steal Reddit clicks, Reddit traffic, like this one here. This post alone is doing really good, generating thousands and thousands of dollars. So this whole strategy kind of centers around Google's deal with Reddit to basically use their data and showcase their user-generated posts in traffic. So we need to leverage that for our businesses so we can capture that traffic. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's dive in. If you search in Google for plumber in Buffalo and you scroll down past the map part, you're going to see this Reddit post here close to the top. And this post isn't new. This post is 4 years old. But because of Google's new partnership with Reddit, basically their $60 million licensing and content agreement that basically allows Google to train AI models on Edit's real-time conversation data and actually use it and surface it in search results, which is super valuable for the people that are leveraging it the right way. So I want to show you how to be able to leverage this deal and the power of Reddit showing up in search results, also showing up in AI overviews, ChatGPTs. But if you go in here and I look at this plumber post, it's plumber recommendations in Buffalo, New York. These people basically trust user-generated content because they're real people and they don't want to get ripped off. They want that real, the real-time, real-life experience. So then up here, you can see the very top post is from 5 years ago. They talk about Salino plumbing and how good they are. And then the other one is Mark Plumbing. So both of these are getting a lot of free traffic and tons and tons of business from this single post because it's showing up in search results over and over and over again. So the key is to get your business to show up in search results. Not only is it important to show up, up close to the top. Obviously, we want to have our Google map optimized, but we want to show up here, and we want to show up as much as possible. So here's what you need to do. Here's a good tactic to be able to show up. This is kind of, I don't want to say sneaky, but this is a really awesome way to leverage and click-intercept these Reddit posts. So what we're going to do and what you want to do is you want to set up content pages and actual blog content as well, focusing on Reddit. So we want to do our keyword or our prompt, whatever we're searching for. So in this case, it would be plumber in Buffalo, or we can even do plumber in Buffalo, New York, because that's exactly, we want to be as specific as possible. So you want to do that, and then you want to do plus Reddit, right? That's the only thing that we're going to do. Not to mention, we're going to create the content. So this is going to be the title and the slug of the post, right? The keyword plus Reddit. And then we're going to write our content targeting the plumbing, what we offer. Obviously, we're going to build this out from an SEO structure because the structure is really important. H2s, H3s, pictures, alt text, meta description, so all those things. But the key is this first part here. And this is how we are going to click intercept those Reddit posts, because it's going to read the Reddit part and then it's going to feature it close to the top. And then we can steal a lot of those clicks if we're writing the content targeting those prompts. So how do we do it? So I'm going to give you a couple tools here. I'm going to give you a really cool prompt to use to help you get some of these keywords and some of these prompts. And then we're going to use a tool to do this. So the tool that I use to do this is Arvow. This works really well for this because Arvow is an amazing SEO tool. I talk about it a lot. There's a lot of customization you can do to help you with this, especially this part. So you can write SEO articles as simple as a target keyword. You don't even have to have a title, or you can do it with a title. And then you can set this up as a template and give it your assets, your brand assets, case studies, knowledge base, your website, anything. So it's going to, and you can link it to pages. So it's going to use all your brand assets to create content that's not AI slop. It's going to be branded to your offerings, what you sell, what you do, what you want to let people know about. But the other cool thing that you can do to leverage this strategy is you can set up article templates. So you can do custom templates, right? You can add a prompt, and then a markdown outline. There's a whole tutorial video showing you how to leverage this. But I have all these templates set up here, and it's interjecting custom variables in the articles. And this does really well. Google's new big release, they said they don't want commodity-based content. They're not going to index it. They're not going to feature it. So this is the way to create 100% not commodity-based content. It's going to be tailored around your brand, and we can use this Reddit strategy for this. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go into this custom article template. It has the service here. So I'm going to do sync, leak, repair, and then I'm going to do Reddit, right? We're going to do the prompt or keyword plus Reddit, city, Buffalo, state, New York. We're going to hit add article. So it's going to add it down here as an input. And then we can simply just go in here and hit generate article. And then it's going to generate this article for us in just a minute. And the nice thing about this is you can do this over and over and over again and use these articles as blogs, also as pages, because one thing, especially for local service businesses, you want to do all of your locations and all of your services. So if you do sync leak repair, right, you want to do that. And then you want to do for your particular area. So this is Buffalo, but then you want to do sync repair. And then maybe you have another local town that's Sebring, that's close to Buffalo, right? You would do sync repair Sebring. And then you want to do sync repair for your other local town. Because most people have a surrounding circumference of towns. So you want to basically target all of those with all of your the locations and all of your services. So then you would do the same thing again for toilet installation, toilet repair, you know what I mean? And then you're going to get all those pages out there, capitalize on a lot of traffic. So here we go. Here's the article on sync leak repair Reddit in Buffalo, New York. So we're capitalizing on the Reddit there. And then it's just going to go over what we do as far as sync leak repair. And then our specific information that we're going to enter into Arvow. This is writing it a little bit more generically, but again, you can enter in all of your specific information. We can open this up and you can see all of the internal SEO bells and whistles. If you had Claude or ChatGPT write an article like this, they could do it, but it's not going to have the back-end technical SEO. You're going to have to go in and do all that. This does it all for you. Meta description, alt text. So then all we have to do is hit publish article, and it publishes to any integration we have. So you can set this up on Shopify, Wix, wherever you're integrated, whatever host is hosting your website. You can set this up as an integration and then post this as an article. Again, we can also post this, copy this, and post this as a page, as a service page, targeting these keywords as well, which works really, really, really good. The other thing you're probably wondering is, okay, what are the different prompts? Because this strategy works through the prompts. So our prompts plus Reddit. So you're like, okay, what are the other prompts? What are the other things that people are searching for that I should be focused on? This is a little bit more broad. People are bottom of the funnel searches. So when people search, people are searching up here, but people are also searching down here. We want to focus on the bottom of the funnel because these have the highest conversion percentage, and these are usually the problem driven, especially with service-based businesses. So like my sink is leaking, what are the top ways to fix it? Then we're going to give them the ways to fix it, and then the ability to call the plumber, right? Most people aren't going to want to go through the work of fixing it. They want to actually call the plumber, but we're going to target it that way. So how do we get these prompts? So here is an awesome AI search intent extractor prompt. If you write prompt below, I'll share this to you. But basically this gives you a role, your brand, and then it helps you extract the best search intent prompts to use. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to pop it into Claude, right? And then we're going to give it the brand context. So let's just go back and give it this plumbing. I don't know what the name of this plumber. Buffalo Plumbing. Let's just give it this one. So Buffalo Plumbing. So we're kind of doing the same type of niche. And then we're just going to give it the brand. You can describe it or you just give it your website. It'll analyze your website. So we just pasted that there. And then let's just run this so you can kind of see. This works really, really awesome. And then you can take this and then use this for service pages and content, capitalizing on these search intents. So you're doing twofold with this strategy. There's a lot of moving parts here, this is really amazing for SEO, and it's working extraordinarily well. All right, so here we go. The prompt has run, and this does the search, and it basically gives you the prompt. Burst pipe flooding my basement in Buffalo, New York. Who can come out right now? No hot water on a Sunday in Buffalo. So these are good. These are very bottom of the funnel search intent things that I didn't even think about. And then buyer stage, most aware. So again, that's bottom of the funnel. Product aware. It's kind of middle. And it, so basically it just goes on different parts of the funnel, and then it basically goes why it converts, and then the intent angle. So you can literally just take these, pop these into Arvow, and create articles about them. Again, if you want to add the keyword Reddit, I would do that as well, because that's how you're going to click intercept those posts. And it's a great tactic to try along with your overall content strategy. So if you want this prompt, again, type prompt below, or you can just go to arvow.com/prompts and use this inside of Arvow. Awesome strategy. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Check out this other SEO video. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.